Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to avoid ferries on Google Maps. First of all, on your phone or desktop, open the Google Maps application and make sure that you're logged in to your account. Once you are done, go to the search box at the top and type in your destination as usual. After typing it down, in the pop-up at the bottom, you will see an option that says directions. Tap on it and then, by default, Google Maps will show you public transit or walking. You can go ahead and tap on the car icon at the bottom in order to switch to driving directions. And after you do that, tap on the three dots at the top right corner and then click on Options. Now, from the Trip Options page, toggle on the button right next to Avoid Ferries. After you do that, Google Maps will now reroute you on roads only, no ferry tickets or surprise boat rides. So that is how you can easily avoid ferries on Google Maps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.